Yizhou Hardware offers one shop for all your production metal parts. We provide CNC machine parts, plastic products, and related services. Highly skilled people are at the heart of Yizhou Hardware parts success, and they make our company unique in the industry. Our employees are cross-trained to support different areas based on workload, so we can maintain workflow. You can count on our talented people to produce some of the quality metal parts in the world. We accept raw material in sheets, plates, bars or tubes, and are experienced in working with a variety of materials like aluminum, plastic, copper, stainless steel, and carbon steels. As your volumes increase, we also have the option of hard tooling your parts to run in our metal stamping department. Inspection options range from simple feature checks all the way through FAIR and PPAP. Yizhou Hardware is committed to the continuous improvement and optimization of all custom manufacturing capabilities from prototype to production, and the corresponding quality control process, including CNC machining, rapid prototyping, and rapid tooling. We strictly follow quality management system, based on a series of standardized production procedures and work instructions, and use advanced testing equipment to measure and inspect each production step to ensure that your project meets stringent quality specifications.